So hello guys, in this video we were talking about Etsy and what's happening right now in 2026 on Etsy and what is the right roadmap you should to know exactly about Etsy and how you can work on it. Okay, so exactly dropshipping from different platform to Etsy, and that's what we gonna bring down right now. And talking about what is the most important things you should to know and so Etsy, there's a lot of things changed in 2026, of course, for like AI, for the products, for a lot of things. But the things that out we have to do right now, it's how you can drop ship. It's not from AliExpress, but from the right platform. I'm gonna show you the right platform, and I was working with the platform with this platform a long time, so it's really nice one. And this is the Etsy what they want to have as a listing, and the Etsy created for this product. You know what I mean? So the handmade products. So what I'm doing right now, it's show you the most important products the people like very there's a lot of there's a lot of demand from this product. So if we go like to check this product, and I'm gonna show you the right product you should to know, and you have to create it searching for the products as you said. So this is the product like ghost lamp bookend. It's lamp, and it's really good product. So there is shipping and information about these products. What do I have to what you have to know about the all of these products, it's where you can find this product and where you can ship the product from the right platform to your client. And so there is a lot of products as well. It's similar the products you saw. And here like explore more related search, the what is the people they searching about the like related search products. So here that's what we bring down to today, and share with you as much as I can about the platform. So as you know, they created Etsy for the home decor products, for handmade in general, for the product they created by hand, of course, for the people have skills, for the people they create all the products by themselves, and they try to buy these products. But uh, like the popular people, how they working on Etsy, it's like drop shipping. But most of the people they working from AliExpress, they drop ship from AliExpress to Etsy, and it's very risk if you didn't change the pictures, description, tags, keywords, etc. So this is very important. So if we, I want to share with you, this is this platform. Most of the people they don't know about this platform. So there is, it's like similar to Etsy, but it's valuable. So I'm gonna show you like it's fair. The name of the platform, it's fair. Like all categories here, and so yeah, this is my name, and there is a lot of categories here like home decor, home accent, uh, like for women, for kids, for books. The really good product, and the product that's Etsy they want from you. You know what I mean? So most of these products it's handmade products, okay? But most of the people it's like wholesaler. You know what I mean? It's like wholesaler. It mean uh, they buy a lot of products, like maximum it's minimum two products or three products. But also you can find some supplier they buy just one product or two. They start from one product. Let me show you. Like if I'm gonna show you this product, this is like it's Coach, and so as you say, like this is shipped from Netherlands, and it's very important to know the shipping from Netherlands or from Europe or from UK or from USA, it's better than you ship from China. Why? Because the China all the time, the Etsy robot all the time they check if the this product dropshipper or no. if this person or the shop they dropship on the products or no. So when you send the tracking number from China and they check the tracking number, the RoboVT, they check the tracking number from China, it's they suspended your account immediately. Sometime of course it happen, sometime not. It depends of course the tracking number, and you know, I mean most of the people they will tell me like in the description or sometime. I mean, I would like to share your idea. I would like to share your opinion, of course, with me. That's how that's how it works. That's how we improve ourselves and develop a lot of things. Okay, so most of the people they will put it in the description. Like there are a lot of people from China and they ship the products from China. Yes, and I'm agree with you 100%. But do you know this person or this shop? They put it the tracking number from China? No. Most of them they put the tracking number for the last mile of the shipping. And of course, the next time I will show you how you can find the tracking number from China and from USA, but for the last mile. Like when the product your product entered Europe or USA or something like different countries. Most of the countries like the trust countries or they they allow to buy on Etsy of course, and they are able to put the products in on Etsy, and of course they know about the regulation, the policies of Etsy, and how it works. So that's what we're working from this platform to Etsy and to create the good product, of course, the picture, and also I have a students. We share with them the same information, and now I share with you the same information for free. So please don't forget to subscribe and put it your like share with me your idea, your opinion. And over past few years, of course, I was working with a lot of people, and we improve the income, and of course we try to find different solution for the suspend and something like this. Okay, and also the next video I will show you how it works and how the right way to ship the products from China or from this platform. But first of all, I want from you to share this channel with a lot of people. They want to have income in the future. They want to improve themselves. They want to have money from different way. Like there is student, there is some stuff like this. I don't know. Maybe there is a lot of people. They just start. They just start from the beginning. They just start from zero. There is no. They don't have any money. So please don't forget to share this channel with them. And of course, it's I don't know. I don't have the right word, but it's the right way to start business, because there is no spend money, because just dropshipping. Of course, there is digital products and some stuff like that, but most of the time I share with my students the dropshipping, because the dropshipping it's like high ticket products, and of course they still give you the high percentage of the profits. There is profit. There is a huge profit. Of course, if you know how it works, if you know how you calculated your profits and revenue. So this is the platform. So let me show you few products. Of course, there is a lot of products here, and of course, and also you can buy the product in their platform, like from AliExpress or from different places. Look at these products. Look at this product. Look at these products. Most of the products here, it's handmade products and in Europe. So you can ship the products from this place, and also like try to find someone by, like there is this one, like this is lamp, and this lamp it's like lamp, and there is the pictures, like high quality of the pictures. So you can put it all of these pictures in your store on Etsy, and there is no problem. Of course, just change like logo, some stuff like this in Canva. And if you want to know how it works, I can show you, of course, 100%. So like as you say here, item quantity, it starts from 1, which is good. So read loft style wall lamp until lifts wall light. So and which is good. There is a lot of lamps, of course. You can like explore by yourself here and check all of these products. And if you're interested for some products, you can contact the supplier, and you will get what you need, or what you want to work on this product on Etsy. So this is the that's what I want to share with you. This is the video, and of course next time I will share with you more about how it works, the platform, how you can ship from this platform, how you can contact the supplier. So most of the people, they don't know about this platform. Please don't forget to share this video, and share with me your opinion. And also, if you don't know about Etsy, and you want to be member of our training, please, you can find our contact, or Discord, Telegram, or whatever, in the social media, Instagram as well, and of course our website. So to contact us, and to, if you want to have a consultation, or something like this, it's my pleasure, of course, to help you. If you want to have a call, just book your call, and we will furthermore about your shop, and what is the, if you need something about your shop, if you're struggling with the products, and how it's working on Etsy, and how you can create it your shop, just let me know, and I will help you.